far away.
I'll film it again. Wait, no. There you go.
Exactly. I am out.
2 cups, 3 Hershey,
Oh my God,
3
that looks
Hershey's.
And so it was funny because I used to, being younger, you would see those parents
That looks amazing.
like those kind of like dog leashes and chest leashes
Right.
on their kids. And you used to sit there just kind of
Dude,
criticize them,
why?
you know,
That looks sick.
That's awesome.
whatever. And so it's
All
like,
right, we gotta come back for round 2 since
so
it didn't
should've
make
brought
it
those
through the
with me.
first cup.
Yeah, it did make
It did make it.
Not the bottom.
Yeah,
Not
it
the
did.
bottom.
We're both through. It's through both.
No, you gotta get the Hershey on the bottom too. It has
Yeah,
to go
get the
all
gas
the way
out of there,
through.
dude.
Get the gas. Too.
no idea.
All right, there we go. We got it.
Oh God.
When you can handle it's herd cats.